Alrighty guys, so here we go. We have a brand new Jeep Rubicon. Let me check the year. I believe it is a brand new 2022. Let me see. 522. So yeah, 2022 Jeep Rubicon. We're gonna be doing the amp research steps installation. Made in the good old USA. Here we go. Solid back bumper. Yep, this is what he's talking about. Alrighty. So we're gonna get started on these steps, guys. And I'm gonna do my best to show you guys how it's done. I just want to get an idea what I'm looking at here. A customer did mention that they want some lights back here, so looks like we might be able to mount some back here, but that'll be further down the line. Let's go ahead and get to installing these steps here. Let's go. All right, so this is all the parts. We got the regulators, right? And then these are your motors. And then the brackets that you need. The lights and accessories. Alrighty guys, here we go. So we wrapped up the Jeep Wrangler here. Installing the amp research steps. We've got our module mounted nice and tight. We got everything nice and aligned. They work nicely. You can barely even see that they're there. That they're there. Here's this side here as well. We'll bring with you, okay? Here's this side as well. Driver's side. Nice and clean. Let's see if we can leave it open a little bit so you guys can see how that looks. Nice. You can stand on them pretty good as well. So it's definitely gonna help if you need to get up and down. So looks nice, looks good too. I've installed kinds of different ones, but not the amp research. They were not as easy to do, but we pulled them off. Everything does look really nice and clean. I'll show you guys what this looks like down here. Got everything buttoned up. Oops, excuse me. Looks good. Just gonna wait on the customer and get them wrapped up. Looks good. Let me know if you guys need these. I've got you guys covered.